Every morning brings a new sunrise, a chance to rise above, spread wings and fly. In the mirror, see the strength inside. Face the fears, let hope be our guide. We fight the little battles step by step, each victory a promise that we've kept. With courage in our hearts we take a stand, knowing we can reach the promised land. Today is ours, we'll make it shine. In every moment we'll find the time to conquer doubts, to break the chains. Tomorrow's dream is but remember